Hey, this is Chad from Stampin' Up. Do you have big plans? Yeah, me neither. But with the all-inclusive Big Plans Planner Kit from Stampin' Up, I just may be motivated to go out and plan something. This planner will help you keep on schedule and give you a creative outlet too. This all-inclusive kit has everything you need to create a customizable yearly planner. No dates are printed, so you can start whenever you want. The kit includes a Calypso coral and silver 2-ring binder, 13 divider pages, one for each month, and your notes. And they come in a variety of different styles and prints. 2 double-sided pocket folders, very nice. A page lifter that's tabbed on the side so it's easy to pop in and out of your planner. You get weekly and monthly calendar pages as well as some note pages, a whole stack of them for a year's worth of planning. 6 printed stickers, 2 each of 3 designs. Two sheets of silver foil stickers. 5 yards of washi tape. And if that's not enough, the binder has a loop so you can carry around a Stampin' Right marker. Phew, that's a lot of stuff. The planner features basic gray, Calypso coral, gray granite, petal pink, pineapple punch, and white. It also coordinates with the Big Plans Memories and More card pack, and of course the 6x8 photo pocket page variety pack. The great thing here is you can also do a little bullet journaling and memory keeping while you're on the road or making your big plans. Okay, before we get started planning, we've got to put this thing together. It's pretty simple, so let me show you how it works. I've already got my kit laid out with all the different pages separated. I showed you the month tabs. We're going to need those. And then there are pages that are going to match up with the back of the note tab. They've got half of your calendar month on one side and then the start of your week planner on the back side. Then I've got a whole big old stack of filler pages. So these have the end of the week and then the beginning of the week. So this is really what's going to make up the bulk of your planner. So we've got those. And then at the end of each month, I've got the last half of the week followed by some note pages. So once these all come together, you'll see how they kind of fill out the month view, the week view, and then you've got some spot at the end for notes, and these are just double-sided note pages that you can use to fill in as well. So to get started, we're going to take our first divider page. So this is our January divider, and you can see these are really nice. They're heavy. They've got kind of a glossy feel to them. And on the back side, it shows the front half of the month, so Sunday through Wednesday. So we're going to lay one of those down. And then my next page has the second half of the month, and you can see when these go together in the binder, they're going to make my full month view. And when I flip it over, it's got Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday on the back. So I'm going to match that up with Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So now you can see I've got my first week together. I'm going to lay that down. And since January 2018 had 5 weeks, I'm going to count out 1, 2, 3, 4 more of those and lay those down. And now I've got enough weeks to complete January. So with January's weeks here, I'm going to add the second half to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Now I've got Thursday through Sunday, and on the back of this one, I've got a note page. So I can either close out my month here, or if I want a little bit of extra note space, I can add one more double-sided note page. And now I'm ready for February. So again, nice and glossy on the front. I've got the first half of February on the back. I'll lay that down and then repeat the process. Okay, I'm just finishing up December. So I'm going to add my divider there, second half of my month, the rest of my weekly pages, my last month closeout page. Then I'm going to put in my notes divider and the rest of my note pages. Now I've got a nice organized planner ready to go into my binder. Okay, with all my pages in, I'm going to go ahead and now add my folder page. Probably could have used one of those up front. That's all right. And then I've got a place for all of my stickers in the back. Close that up. Bring everything forward. Oh, here we can add our folder back in. And we're set. We are ready to start making some big plans. So once we get to where we're going in March, we can put our little page divider there to quickly jump to the calendar page. Plenty of space in the back for our stickers. Great spot for our Stampin' Right marker. This is a really, really fun planner. Now keep in mind, this is a totally flexible planner. You can start at mid-year, you can have a June to June calendar, set it up traditionally like I did, or do whatever works for you. The best planner is the one you'll use, and I'm sure you're going to love using this one. In fact, we know you'll love it so much, we even have a refill kit to keep you going year after year. The Big Plans Planner Kit Refill includes everything you need to restock your binder. There's the divider pages, weekly and monthly calendar pages, note pages, pocket folders, another page lifter. You get the printed stickers, silver foil stickers, washi tape, everything you need except another binder. So now that you've got a handy way to keep track of all those big plans, go out there and make some. For more information, visit stampinup.com or contact your local demonstrator. Thanks, everyone.